What did I say?
Tukoze
What did I say? Lie down.
Lie
down. Lie down. Lie down.
Kibooko y'obukulu eruma.
Lie down properly.
What? Wait.
This is 2020. Lie down properly. Lie down.
Mendo papita Mpamire linda kuletu sibya ddala ndisibya ddala kibooko linda ko ni mulema mama yafalita.
Lie down. How many?
Nyoko mama. But teacher, you see, that one was the one talking. That one was the one.
Touch here. Touch it. Touch it there.
Wait. Bakoje.
Touch it there. Touch it there. What did I say? What did I say? Where are the school requirements? Where are the school requirements? Nyoko. Eh? Siriani. When you are lying down, make sure mathematically your legs are perpendicular to your abdomen. Terera sibu. Terera. What is the photosynthesis?
Photosynthesis. This is a green. This is a coloring green plant.
Photosynthesis is a colored what?
Photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. This is photosynthesis. Don't know the
Photo what?
Photosynthesis.
What? It is the process by which.
By?
It is the process by which animals make their own green plant.
Nkuba. You take the mic. Go with the mic. Go one.
I'm here, sir.
If the answer is wrong, you're the one who is going to suffer. You're the one who is going to suffer. Lie down properly.
I'm here, sir.
That is senior one?
Yes, senior one.
Remember, if they answer wrongly, kibooko emu. Wait, are you listening?
I'm listening, sir.
If Chintu was the first Muganda, who was the first Munyankole?
Nyamiyonga.
Who was Nyamiyonga?
Mubuza.
Babuza.
Oli Musiru. Another question.
Yes, teacher.
But lie down. Another question. In China, we have 5 rivers. One is called Sangzhou, another one is called Zhonghing, another one is Yangzhou. Which one is the longest river? I said Zhangzhou, Qinzhou, and Zhensha. Zhanshi? It is very wrong. It is not Zhangzhou. Where is my This is not a toilet. 2025.
Answer.
We have Zhangzhou and Shunzinsa and Zhang. Which was the tallest, longest river?
Uno.
Zibada. Where is my blackboard? Which says Bada?
Zibada kituufu.
Zibada what?
Zibada.
Zibada is the longest river. First clap for yourself. I said lie down properly. Not yet.
Tomukuba.
Come here. Come. Bye. 2025 is going to be Kenya. Sit properly. This is a class. You know it is always good to sit properly in what? Sit properly in what? What is crop germination? Nkube? University, where are you? Where's the university? Headmaster, nice to meet you. Who is the president of Uganda? Who is the president of Uganda?
Museveni.
Who has said Bobby Wine? Welcome, 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 welawati. 2025, welawati. We are younger women for Uganda. Vacation, singing and dancing. Till fall. Oh, slave, slave, slave. Working day. Working in sugar. Weni. Twajja tulimbuze. Abazadde mwebale. Naye nga ffe tuli embatento. Kubala nga tuddamu 3 7 8. 2025, welcome to 2020 what? 2025 is to be a year of political soil error. Political soil error. Where we are going to see the washing away of politicians from the top soil to the Who said to the stigma? 2025 is going to be a year of pollination, poliwati, where we shall see the transfer of foreign politicians from one party to another part, like Matthias Simpu. The question is what went what? What went what? That's why it is going to be a year of expansion. Ex what? A teacher will come to class and say, Kirasi, Kirawati, expand it 2 plus 2 times x over. Remember the question is expa. Therefore you have to expand it 2 plus 2 over times what? But the question is expa. Continue expanding and say 2 plus 2 times what? Because we are living in a confused what? That's why it is going to be a year of body mass. Bawati. Repeat after me. Body mass. Body what? Body mass means bracket of what? Of division. Division after division. Multiplication after multiplication. Addition and 2025 is going to be a year of especially among the music. There is going to be a multiplication of voters, Vawati, and the steering of from which party? FDC, Fwati. It is going to be a year of addition, Awati, addition of prisons, Priwati, and the subtraction of political prisoners. Are we together, class? Because we are living in a confused what? That's why it is the reason as to why we have many churches in Uganda. Everyone in Uganda wants to become a pastor. Ask your neighbor, are you a pastor? Pentagon ya nyoko. Pentagon ya chi. You know it is very easy to become a pastor in Uganda. All you need is to come up with a church name, a church what? For example, if you stay near Makerere Kavule, you can say, Run for Your Life, National Unity Plan, International Me, with the motto, we are removing a dictator. We are removing a dictator. Those who stay around the Bwaise, you can say, Bwaise boat cruise, swimming Pentecostal church. Those who are there some people from Fangoni Forest? You can call your church Fangoni Forest Miracle Center, but you can cancel miracle and you call it Mira. Fangoni Forest Mira say. Then from there you can proceed by naming yourself a very nice name. If you are an artist like a Bebe Kulu Bebe Wati, call yourself Pastor Bebe Kulu Tondekechiwa. Pastor Bebe Kulu Tondekechiwa. What about if you are little puzzle? Little puzzle? Bishop Lirupazo Enkudi. Paka kuwulira buki. You can call yourself Reverend Gravity. Omutuju omunyo. Omunyongo wegulu. Kira for Reverend Gravity omutuju. Are we together, class? Because of that, that's the reason why 2025 I prophesy that it's going to be better. It's going to be what? Tell your neighbor, ta. Repeat after me, ta. 2025 is going to be better. 2025 is going to be better. If you are here and you stay in a boys' car, you move from Kawempe to Se. Sometimes you buy things in Ikwa. God is going to make your life great. God is going to make your life great because it's the source of living you. God will open doors for you to air. Wherever you go, enemies will scar. You will meet great people like Yoweri Museveni Kagu. With your God, things, titles do not matter. Even if you are first lady or first door, even if you call the Museveni Kagu, people are going to open doors for you to air. Now, if you are called Shani, Ori, God is going to make your life great. Wherever you go, people will open you to air. Men are going to fly you to car. As long as you have Nyasha and war. Teacher Mpamire, thank you so much.